Hello there, how are you? Welcome back to How I Did It. Well, a couple little hacks for you here today. You can keep your toilet paper rolls and your paper towel rolls and use them for your seed starters. And if you don't have any seeds on hand, if you have a bag of 15 bean soup, pick some beans out of there that you like, put them in your little starter cups, and you're good to go. Now, this is just native soil that I have out here at the barn with a little bit of compost that I made up. And as you can see, after a week, I have sprouts, and this is about 2 weeks into it. So I decided I'm going to go ahead and get these planted in the garden around the perimeter. So I just took a pile of the native soil that I had, burrowed a hole in the center of it, put the seedling in the center of the hole, and I will keep y'all updated as to how well these guys do. It really is so simple. You could do this in a container on a patio. You don't have to have a huge garden. Now note that I put 2 seeds in each of the little starts, and out of those 5 starts, I only had the one that did not sprout, and like a dork, I didn't keep track of which one was which. Anyway, I'll keep you updated on this. Thanks again for watching. Have an absolutely wonderful and blessed week. I will see you next time. Take care.